Hey guys, what's up? This is Bisaya in Japan. Today we're gonna look at the Era Car. Era Car is actually a company from Hong Kong, and I would say it's a close competitor for the Mini GT. Okay, let's start with this review. First, we can see in front there is the LB emblem on the grille of the main diecast. You can also see that the hood pops up, and we can see the engine inside with the Mercedes logo on the engine. Let's have a closer look. There you go. One thing to notice also that the hood is with a carbon fiber design. Also with a tire guard. I don't know what that is called, tire guard or something. Also with carbon fiber paint. It also has a sunroof on the top, and one thing that I really like with this is the side mirror. If you can see, it has like a metal sticker to show a great detail. Oh, and before I forget, this item is an online exclusive. You can only purchase this model if you go to their website. Another feature is that the back door can open like that. And shows the inside of the car. There. In general, I think this model is actually pretty cool. Good design there, and I like the paint as well. So that's it. This is the Era Car Mercedes-Benz AMG 663 Red. Please like and subscribe.